Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings Today. Soludo started on a very high note. I'm referring to the governor of Anambra State. But it looks like UGM have turned their concentration full scale on Anambra. I guess the more he talks tough and assures Ndi Anambra, the more UGM gets daring in their attitude. As we speak, Anambra now is the next Imo in the making. Before we go into the news proper, very quickly, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. Well, it has been reported that 2 persons may have lost their lives when UGM went against 4 police stations in Anambra State just yesterday. The police stations include that of Amichi, Nnewichi, Osumogo, and Ezinifite in Nnewi, North and South local government areas. This is coming about 24 hours after the police station in Nkpo, Nnewi South local government area was also attacked. It is, however, not clear which of the police stations that the 2 persons feared dead were stationed at the time of the incident. Anambra State Police Command Public Relations Officer DCP Tochukwu Ikenga confirmed the incident but could not confirm the number of deaths and casualties. Ikenga said there was no casualty and that a team of police personnel had been drafted to ensure the area is calm. According to him, the hoodlum did not only attack Nnewichi police station but also attacked Ozomogu and Ezinifite police stations. He said that the police stations were under reconstruction since they were among the stations affected during NSAS saga. This is the fate of Ndi Anambra in recent times. The more the newest governor of Anambra State is Professor Charles Soludo is assuring the Anambra people, the more these guys are getting daring. I guess our prayers should now turn very quickly to Anambra State and pray for wisdom for Charles Soludo to weather the storm. Probably at this stage, call for stakeholders meetings so that even the indigenes can serve as some sort of security alert and vigilante watch. As times are going, just recently, Soludo was, bemoaning the fate of Ndi Anambra over the fact that the structures that were destroyed some days back would require quite a number of amount of money, funds that would have been channeled for something more useful. Now would have to be used to reconstruct those buildings raised down. He's still talking about that Nnewi South local government area that was burnt, the buildings and infrastructure that was burnt. Now another set has happened. Now this is not good news coming from Anambra, and it's quite too early in his tenure. I guess he needs wise men right now around him to tell him how to navigate these difficult moments, especially for Ndi Anambra. That's what's going to wrap it up. Let's put in our comment section. If you were in Soludo's shoes, that's Charles Soludo, the professor or the governor of Anambra State, what would you do differently that Charles Soludo is not doing right now?